right there.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So you see where they were standing? So those guys have lost it. Oh, this guy moved it more. Yeah. So one of my main problems is sometimes I look unique.
What do you mean?
People tend to look at me,
Oh.
you know, and now it brings more attention, especially when I'm filming.
Oh, okay.
You see, like right here, I'm nearly the only black guy,
Yeah.
and then I have like some braid, and
Yeah.
I look like,
Hey, but you got me though.
oh yeah, so we look like you're good, you know. Yeah.
Bro, let me know when we get out and walk, because I really need to put some deodorant. I can smell myself. I told you, I was going to take a shower, brush my teeth, but then I just went. Let me go
Yeah.
chill tomorrow and see what he's doing. Because you told me 10:15 you have to leave, so I was like,
We can get out actually here. Yeah, we're getting out. This is the real center.
oh, so this is where you were the one time filming.
Yeah, this is the real.
This is the real shit right here. Good. So, but you do like the music though, the Spanish music?
Yeah, I do. Be careful. Be careful. Let's go. You love to sing?
I like music, man. I love the música, man. It's just the Spanish, especially the Latin trap, has
Yeah.
exploded in the last 2 years.
Yeah.
You know, and you got people that don't even know the Spanish language, but they
But
like the music.
yeah,
I have
especially
friends-
after Despacito.
Right. I have friends that they love hip hop, but they appreciate the little things that Spanish people do now. You know. Then you have people say, "Oh, well, these Latinos are culture vultures," but at the same time, you look at it, we all the same people, man. We just have different culture and accents. That's all it is. So we have to slide the car. We just get up.
We get free.
Okay, so this is where you were recording. Okay, I remember now. Yeah, it looks familiar. Yeah. Yeah, where you were. Okay, it looks
You
familiar.
see, you know that house? That's the iconic house of Medellín,
We can
Colombia.
record here. It's okay. We can put it.
No, I mean, this is the most sketchy place.
Oh, it's sketchy. Okay.
Yeah. But we can walk, you know. You can record here, but you have to be careful.
No, it's okay. I'm not gonna even put on my phone.
Many people here are Venezuelans.
Oh, I heard about them coming into the country and doing a lot of
Yeah.
stuff.
So
Yeah.
you see, they are selling tea, coffee.
So this is like a little market where they.
It's not really a market. It's like a joint,
It's like a hangout.
hangout, exactly.
Okay. Where people come and chill at.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is where the action's at. I can tell.
You see a cute girl selling. You see?
Yeah.
So we shall go down. Now here you have to be careful about your pockets, things like that. So you see with my umbrella like that,
Oh, I see
nobody
how you do it.
nobody
Yeah,
can
okay.
tell
Okay.
what I'm doing. And you see these guys here?
Yeah. Those are security.
They are recruiting people to join the army. We can go this way. Yeah. Here is more clean. So we are going to more, yeah.
We in the hood.
Yeah. But there are lots of policemen everywhere.
Here you can buy beer and walk, right? They don't.
No, I'm not sure about that.
Okay. No, I'm just asking. I'm just.
In Paquejeras you can.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You know here beers, you buy them from a shop.
Oh, okay.
Hey, look at that art, man. I love that picture.
Have you ever had pizza here?
Pizza.
Have you had pizza here?
Downtown, no.
New York pizza is the best. You know what they say.
Yeah. So this building is the famous Botero.
Oh, wow.
Botero
this
Plaza.
is really good. See shit like that. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm in the center, man. That's where all the action is. You're right.
So we can walk close there. So I film
Yeah.
the real action.
Do your thing, man.
See, cute girl. And in the evening, it's 3 times the population.
Oh, more people come out.
Right now it's early morning,
Right.
so not so many people are here.
Oh, so you do have police presence.
Yeah, everywhere, man.
Okay, so, but still, you said it's still not safe to pull out my phone.
Actually, right now there's nobody here. If you come here like 3 p.m.,
Yeah.
oh man. And you see those rails there? You've been here before?
Been here? No, I haven't been here.
This is very famous. This is the Botero art.
Potato art? Okay.
Yeah, they show this big. It's world famous. It's the Botero Plaza. And that's the main museum of Antioch.
This is a museum?
Of Antioch. Let's walk close to. Right now there's no action. People are still asleep and
Okay. Maybe they drink too much yesterday because it's Mother's Day.
oh yeah.
People probably still with their family, some people visiting.
No, yo te pregunté dónde estaba peleando.
Can we just walk randomly? You see like that?
They're working.
Those are,
Yeah, I can
you
tell.
can tell.
I can tell, yeah.
Yeah.
So you just do this, basically, like you don't carry anything else, no book bag with you when you
No,
that's how you do it, okay.
I try to be simple.
Right.
You know, I told you my mission is to film,
Right.
not anything else.
Right.
Okay. This place, 3 p.m. you can't walk like this. Too many people
packed.
everywhere. See, like right there, those are working girls right there. She's a black girl looking at me. And I'm looking at her. Still looking at me. Now, here now is the real G. We're going now gangster now.
Okay.
From
You
here.
gotta be thorough from going on now, huh?
Yeah.
But now I feel more the sun. It's a little hot.
You see?
Oh, so they just chill out here.
Todo para almorzar, bienvenidos.
But
I can't believe they don't have my juice here. Maracuya. Chinola, we call it in DR.
they have it.
I love it.
Yeah,
I haven't had it since I've been here.
No, there is too many.
You gotta look for it. I don't know where they sell it. Have you had passion fruit? Yeah, basically that's what it's called, passion fruit.
Yeah, there are too many here.
That's that. It's
So-
American.
Yeah. So you see here, bad action now.
Yeah.
And actually this place, from 3 p.m., it is 5 times full. Now be ready for this action, okay? Okay. And you see right there?
Those are men. I can
Yeah. So
tell.
this,
You could tell.
imagine next to the church.
Oh my God, no respect.
Yeah, it's tricky situation.
Tricky.
Super tricky. Now the next corner is 2 times. So be ready. So we're going that way. Yeah.
Wow.
Don't speak English.
Oh, okay.
Here, actually
really
right
trying to get you.
now, look, it's normal. Look, if you pass this street, 3 p.m. you can't walk here.
Can't? Oh, because it's packed.
Yeah. Right now they are asleep, so we go that way.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need